Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing in and opening Word for the web. This gives you cloud autosave and simple sharing. Once signed in, upload an existing doc or click New Blank document to begin immediately. Make sure autosave is on so every change saves to OneDrive. This prevents version conflicts. If you need a template, click New from Template and pick one. Now you have a live document. Proceed to edit. And remember, you can always rename the file at the top to keep it organized. You'll focus on content and layout next. Use the home ribbon for fonts, heading styles, and paragraph spacing so screen readers and export retain structure. Insert images or tables with the Insert tab. Once placed, use layout to adjust margins or orientation for print. For teamwork, click Share and set view or edit permissions, and add collaborators by email. Use comments to discuss changes and reply inline. Make sure to resolve comments when done. This keeps the document tidy and audit-ready. You finish by running a final check. Use Review Editor for grammar and clarity, and inspect headings for accessibility. Once satisfied, go to File Save As and choose Download as Word or PDF to share externally. If someone needs offline edits, select Open in Desktop app for advanced features and resync later. If something goes wrong, like sync errors, refresh the browser, confirm OneDrive storage space, and if needed, re-upload a local copy. That one troubleshooting step fixes most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.